Hello everyone. What if I told you that the market is going to crash very soon? What are the type of stocks you would like to hold for long term? And what are your swing trades that you would like to get rid of before the market crashes? In this article from the Motley Fool, they discuss three companies to buy and hold for the long term. These companies are not penny stocks and they are not for trading. But if you are looking from an investment perspective, then these companies might be for you. The first company we are talking about is Bazun, ticker symbol BZUN. It is a China based e commerce stock. It is sometimes compared to Shopify because both companies provide e commerce website creation and management services, but its business model is distinct enough to render the comparison somewhat misleading. So, while you met her Bazan described as the Shopify of China, it's best to evaluate the company based on its own merits. Their core business revolves around providing a suite of online retail management tools and support services to large Western brands that are looking to tap into China's massive and fast growing online retail market. While management has indicated that it's looking to move away from warehousing and order fulfillment services and focus on software services that deliver better margins, product storage and shipping still accounts for a substantial portion of the company's business. Like Shopify, Bazun also provides services that are tailored to small businesses, but this service is still at a relatively early growth stage. Shopify is somewhere around 1000 US dollars and Bazun is currently trading at around $32. And as per TipRanks, in the 12 months, it is forecasted to reach $51.17. But again, this is for the coming 12 months. Bazun could be a long term hold and it could do much better in the coming years. Bazan's stock trades down about 44% from its 52-week high of $57 per share and about 52% from the lifetime high that it hit in July 2018, with the company valued at $2.6 billion and currently trading at approximately 23 times its year's expected earnings. Bazan still has huge room for growth. Coming to the second stock, the Trade Desk. The Trade Desk bet analyst estimates for the top line by posting revenue growth of 37%, a growth acceleration from the 33% clip in the year ago quarter, and blew adjusted EPS estimates of 77 cents away by reporting $1.41. Even better, the company guided for $260 million in revenue at the midpoint next quarter, a figure above consensus expectations and 87% higher than last year's pandemic figure. The price target for the Trade Desk, according to 16 analysts from TipRanks, is $794, which is a 56% increase from current price. And this is for 12 months. So the Trade Desk could go even higher in the coming years. And our third stock is most of the investors' favorite, Amazon. While all the other businesses went down during the pandemic, Amazon has grown even more dominant during the coronavirus pandemic. More people are shopping online than ever before, and no one does e commerce better than Amazon. Amazon's share price has pulled back by about 10% from its highs of the year. So, this could be an opportunity for us. So, yeah, what do you guys think about these stocks? Do let me know in the comment below.